Susmita. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this channel I'm gonna do a video on dewy nude pink makeup look. So without any delay, first just subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell icon so that whenever I post new videos you will get updated. And also I make videos on makeup, skincare and sometimes clothing hauls. So yeah, let's get into this video. So first what I'm gonna do is just take this hairband and put it here so that when I apply any foundation or powder it doesn't touch my hair and my hair goes on coming onto my face. So I don't want that to happen. So let's get started. First we have to sanitize our hands, then we have to start our skincare. For dewy base you have to make sure that you are using correct skincare products which are giving you that dewy glowing skin. So I'm using first the toner, taking this toner onto the cotton ball. So now after applying the toner, I'll apply a serum. All the products which I'm applying will be mentioned in the description box, so you can go and check it out there. I'm applying the vitamin C serum from Klairs. I love this product. I also mentioned about this product in one of my videos, so you can go check it out. I'll be mentioning that video link in the description box. You know, you think fancy when you use two hands to apply a product, but when you do that, what happens is you're catching the bottle with one hand and you're applying the product with other hand. But when you hold two hands to apply the product, the microbes which are present on the bottle will enter onto the skin. So I don't want that to happen. I want my skin care products to apply on my skin very hygienically. So can you see the major difference before serum and after serum? It is giving me that glossy dewy skin. After serum I'm gonna apply this moisturizer. It goes very well under the foundation, so you can use this moisturizer whenever you apply makeup or on non-makeup days also. So now that I have completed my skincare, now we'll start with makeup. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick in the shade F13 and combining it with Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff, because this shade is lighter and this shade is a bit darker for my skin. So when I combine these two shades, it will give me nice natural skin finish and also very dewy finish, because this is very creamy. It's a creamy foundation and this is also a foundation which everybody knows and will give a semi-satin finish, not very satin, like semi-satin finish. So I'm taking this PAC 231 foundation buffing brush. I'm not dragging this foundation, I'm just dabbing on this. See the glow and that finish, right? It's very nice. So I hope you can see the glow after applying the foundation. I highly recommend you guys to try out Makeup Revolution Fast Day Stick and also the Maybelline Fit Me, and just combine the two shades and it will give you a glossy dewy finish. Next I'm taking the concealer. With the help of this small brush, I'm gonna blend that concealer. So as I mentioned in the title, I'll be using only basic beginner makeup products. So if you don't have much makeup products, you can even use a lipstick for contouring and blush. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna show you in this video how to use those products. Now I'm gonna use this Colorbar lipstick in the shade Surprise 89. So it's a brown color shade, and this acts even as a blush and contour. So I just use this like this. See? I don't like to contour my nose, I just like to contour my cheeks, and that's it. If you want, you can even contour here. I'm taking this contour brush. Now we'll use a powder. I'm taking this Fit Me powder. Just under your eyes. And take it like this and just on your face like this. And that's it. No more powder because it may damage your dewy makeup and it will give you a matte finish. Now coming to the eyeshadow, I'm not using any concealer on my eyelids. I'm gonna directly use this eyeshadow palette, which is a very basic and very old palette from Maybelline. It is the Blushed Nudes palette. This was gifted by my brother for Rakhi. So I'm taking my index finger and taking this pink color and taking this darker color onto the outer corner of the eye. Again taking this lighter color and again in the same pattern I'm taking the lighter shade till here and this shade in the pink and this is the darker shade. So I have completed 2 eyes. Isn't it looking great? So next I'll be applying the highlighter for my face, but what about highlighter? If you don't have any highlighter, you can even use this eyeshadow palette and take the lightest shade for highlighting. This shade or this or this. You can take any shade and you can highlight your face. So I'm taking this brush and you can highlight your collarbone. So I even want to apply eyeliner. I hope everyone will have an eyeliner. So I'll apply eyeliner and also falsies because I love applying falsies for a nice look. So I'll apply eyeliner, mascara and falsies. You can even skip the falsies and you can just apply mascara. So I'm using this sketch liner. Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. So I'll just apply falsies and come. So I have applied my falsies. Now we'll head on to lips and we'll apply a lipstick. So for that, oh my gosh, I forgot the eyebrows. So we'll head on to the eyebrows. I'm just drawing my brows very lightly. So after that I'll be applying the lipstick. For that I'm using K Beauty Matte lipsticks, both of them. And just I'll outline with this darker shade and I'll fill in with this lighter shade, and also I'll use a lip gloss. Don't skip the outlining of lips because it gives you a plumpy effect. Just blend the two shades and also make sure your lip lining is not very sharp. Now we'll apply lip gloss. Taking this Color Bar Diamond Shine Lip Gloss in the shade 002 Nude Glow. So yeah, that's it. This is my makeup look, and I have used very minimal products, and the products which are affordable only, I have used them. So I hope this video was valuable to you, and recreate the same looks on your YouTube or Instagram, and you can tag me. And yeah, I'm okay with the final look, and look at this finish. It's very dewy. So yeah, you can try it. And you can even follow me on my Instagram. The ID is here. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and do click that bell icon so that whenever I post new videos, you'll get the updates. And yeah, bye bye.